Hey guys, it's Am back with a new video. So in today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to get 256 gigabytes of storage for free on your smartphone. Even if it's Android or iOS, it works for the both processors and softwares. So I hope you guys enjoy. Alright guys, first of all I just want to mention that this tutorial works for Android as well. I know that I've written in the title that this is for iOS, but it works for Android as well. And for those people who have Android and iPhones, I'm going to show you both how to do this because it's really amazing. So you can finally get 256 gigabytes for free on any software that you're running. But the first thing that I'm going to ask you guys is to subscribe to my channel and make sure to turn on the notification bell so you don't miss any videos. And let's see if we can reach this video 1000 likes, because if it does, that means I'm going to make more of these, okay? So without out of the way, we're going to go to the iPhone and I'm going to show you what to do. Now just like I said, this tutorial is for Android and for iOS as well. The same methods that I'm going to be using on iPhone, it can be done for Android as well, so you can have that in mind. And before anything starts, I want to mention that you have to install an application, and the link for that is going to be in the description. So the first step you have to do is go to the description box and open the first link and then install this application, which is called Shoebox, okay? It's available for Android and for iOS, and both links are available in the description. So make sure to install it so you can complete the first step, okay? Now after installing the application, we have the first step finished, and we're going to go to the second step, which is going to be the official tutorial, okay? After installing the application, make sure to open the application, and before anything happens, I want to show you that I've been using this application and this method since 2015, and I've saved 25,000 pictures, which is equal to I don't know how many gigabytes, but I've saved all these photos and all these videos without taking any space from my iPhone, and it's for free. As you can see, we have a fee called free plan, and I've joined this application since August 2015, and I've been using it ever since then, okay? So basically, you install this application and then you have unlimited storage. I know that I said 256 gigabytes, but it sounds unbelievable when I say unlimited storage, so I kept the title for 256 so you can know that this is real. But it is real, there's nothing fake about it. And as you can see, I have photos from 2 years ago installed or uploaded to this application, and I have 25 photos in this application, and it hasn't taken even 1 megabyte from my storage. And I have this iPhone 7 Plus, which is 32 gigabytes, and there's no way that it can contain 25,000 pictures and then install applications on it as well, because 32 gigabytes can run up very fastly. Okay, so I'm going to show you what to do. So basically, you're going to install this application, okay? And after that, you're going to go to the settings and go to where it says cellular data. If you have cellular data installed, you have to turn it off, okay? But before that, you have to go to your privacy and go to where it says photos and make sure to turn on this option to on, not to off. Usually it's off, but make sure to turn it on so the application can use your gallery to store photos and videos in them. And after that, you're going to go to your cellular data and then turn it off. You have the option for this application that we just installed. Make sure to turn it off so it does not take all your cellular data coverage and takes it to zero. So do that, and after that you can easily open the application, and then the application automatically uploads and stores all of your photos and videos to the application, and then it can give you an email confirmation once it's over, okay? So I'm going to repeat again. You're going to open the application will automatically upload and store all your photos and videos to the application, and then you can delete it from your gallery, and you will have all the storage that the photos and the videos took from your iPhone. They will be free because the application took it from your gallery and stored it within the application. So when you delete it from your gallery, you will have the application stored in your iPhone, and you will have the photos in them as well without any storage taken from you. So just like I said, do the same steps on Android. And if you don't understand it on Android, I have a video published about it, and it will be in the end of the video. So make sure to watch that as well. And that's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching, and hope you guys subscribe so you can watch more videos that I post. And again, see you next time. Peace out.